Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Mithun Technologies. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create that AWS account. So for this one, first open the browser. Just search with AWS admin console. Okay. So if it is a Google search by default, it will open and you see here in the Google search results. First one is AWS management console. Okay, so this is the URL aws.amazon.com/console. If you want, you can type directly this URL also. Here you'll see that create a free account. Okay, click on this one. So once you click on this create a free account, you will see one form. Right. So AWS accounts include 12 months of free trial access. Okay, so they are going to give 12 months of access, some limitation of the services. Okay, we are not going to get all the services with free of cost. Some of the services they are going to give. So for this one, you should have a email ID, valid email ID. Okay, whether it is a Gmail or Yahoo, whatever it may be. So I'm going to give that. Here the mail ID will be Mithun Techno DevOps at the rate gmail.com. Okay, password. Okay, confirmation password. So you have to give that when you are giving a password. Okay, so you have to follow that their constraint. If you remove and if you see, they're giving that some include some special characters. So see here, they're giving right. So it must be a minimum of 8 characters. Minimum you should give 8 characters. It's include a minimum of three of the following mixed characters types: uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and you have to follow these conventions. Okay, and not be identical to your AWS account name. Suppose you are giving that Mithun Techno DevOps, so don't give the password as Mithun Techno DevOps. You can give something else. So I am giving that. Okay, confirmation password. Then account name. So I am giving that Mithun Technologies. Okay, so if you want, you can give your name here. Click on continue. So after that, okay, so here it is asking some security check. So sometimes it is not going to ask. So just type that X F7EP4. So it is saying this wrong. PCM6BG. Okay. After that, if you see that, it is going to ask that account type, you have to select it. So you are going to use for your personal purpose. So select that personal, give the phone number, your phone number 9980923226. I am giving, and select that country where you are staying. Okay, so I am going to select that India. So right now I am in India. Okay, so address, it is Marathahalli. Okay, Marathahalli city, Bangalore. Okay, state Karnataka. Pin code 560045. Okay, then here, see here, check here to indicate that you have read and agree the terms of conditions. Select that one. So if you want, you can go to your customer agreement terms and conditions. If you want, you can read it. Okay, click on create and continue. So here it is going to ask that valid debit card or credit card details. Okay, so you can give that Visa or MasterCard. So the Rupee card, it is not going to work, guys. So you should use Visa or MasterCard, or you can use that American Express card also. Okay, so here you have to give that debit card number, here expiry date, the expiry month and year, and card holder name. Okay, so why they are asking that valid debit card or credit card details? So they are going to detect that 2 rupees. If you are from India, they are going to deduct the 2 rupees and they are going to refund that one 2 rupees also. Then why they are asking that valid credit card or debit card details? See, they are going to give that some certain limit of the free services. If you are going and beyond that certain limit, if you have exceeded that limit, whatever they are giving that free services, they are going to charge you. So that's why they are expecting that valid credit card, debit card details. See, as part of our card verification process, you will be charged 2 INR on your card when you click security submit. Okay. After that, see here, do you have a pawn? If it is yes, if you have yes, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no, and you can click on verify and add it. Okay, so if you don't want to give your PAN card, select this no and click on verify and add. But you should give the credit card details. So once we have click on verify and add, so it is going to ask the OTP, give that OTP details and create that successfully. So after creating successfully, okay, so let me pause some time. Let me give these details and let me click on verify and so I don't want to share my screen now because I'm giving my card details. You can see I have given my all credit card details, valid credit card details, and I have clicked on continue. See, it is asking that OTP. So I have entered that OTP and click on next. Okay. So once if you click on okay, so it is going to authenticate whatever the OTP you have given that one. So sometimes it is going to ask that confirmation for your number and so you can give that your SMS. Okay, text SMS or voice. So I am going to give my number 9980923226. Okay, and give that security check code 6x37YY and click on send SMS. Okay, so then you have to enter that 4-digit verification code. Okay, so let me check that one. Okay, so I got that number. So let me type here. Click on verify code. Okay, so that verification code entered does not match our system. Check again once. So you have to type that proper. So whatever I got, so I have clicked on. Once again, let me give that proper. Okay, so I have entered wrong one. So I am typing correctly now. Click on verify code. So your identity has been verified successfully. Click on continue. So here you can select that basic plan. Okay, so click on basic plan. So don't select that other plans. Okay, so then here you have to select that your role. So my role is just maybe you can select IT administrator or student. Your wish. If you are a student, you can select student or system administrator. You can select it. And I'm interested in DevOps. Select the DevOps and click on submit. Okay. So now you have successfully completed that setup. Now if you see here, sign into the console. Click on sign into the console. Okay, so this is URL console.aws.amazon.com. Okay, so give that username. See, this is a root user it is asking. So give the username. So Mithun Techno DevOps @gmail.com. So this is a user. This is the email ID we have used to create the AWS account. Click on next. So the in AWS account with that sign-in information does not exist. Mithun Techno DevOps @gmail. So sometimes it may take to activate it. Okay, after some time you can go ahead and try. So with email ID whatever you have used and password you have to. Okay, we'll wait some time. Okay, so still I'm getting the error since still it is not activated. So after some time, if you log in, so it is going to ask the password. Click on next, and you can able to log in successfully. So like this, you can create account first in the AWS so that we can use that AWS services. Okay, so thank you guys. So if you want any AWS related or DevOps related material or videos, just subscribe my Mithun Technologies DevOps channel. Mithun Technologies DevOps, this is the channel name. And if you see here, I have one blog also. Okay, Mithun Technologies DevOps.blogspot.com. Here you will see that lot of material you can see. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can reach out to that Mithun Technologies. This is our contact number and email ID. Thank you.